The flashing blue light on your EE-TV box is an important diagnostic indicator that can tell you exactly what's happening with your device. Understanding these light patterns is the first step to resolving any issues. Here's your EE-TV box. The blue light indicator is located on the top of the device and provides crucial information about the box's current status. Now let's understand what each blue light pattern means. There are 4 main states you need to recognize. A solid blue light indicates normal operation. Your box is working perfectly. A slow flashing blue light means the box is in pairing mode, actively searching for your remote or other devices. A fast flashing blue light signals network connectivity issues or signal problems. A pulsing blue light indicates the box is in standby mode or low power state. Now that you understand the light patterns, let's go through the basic diagnostic steps to resolve most blue light issues. Step 1 is to power cycle your box. Simply unplug it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and resets the connection. Step 2 is to check all cable connections. Make sure HDMI, power, and network cables are firmly connected. Loose connections are a common cause of blue light issues. Step 3 is to replace your remote batteries, even if they seem to be working. Weak batteries can cause pairing issues that trigger the blue light. Step 4 is to ensure your remote is within 6 feet of the box. The Bluetooth connection has limited range, and obstacles can interfere with the signal. Here's a visual guide showing the typical setup connections. Make sure all these connections are secure as part of your diagnostic process. These basic diagnostic steps resolve the majority of blue light issues. By understanding what each light pattern means and following these simple steps, you can quickly identify and often fix the problem yourself. If your EE-TV box is still showing a flashing blue light, we'll now walk through specific troubleshooting steps to resolve pairing and signal issues. For pairing issues, start with manual repairing. Hold down both the Home and OK buttons on your remote simultaneously for exactly 5 seconds. Wait for the blue light to start flashing slowly, then press any button on the remote to complete the pairing process. Alternatively, you can pair your remote through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Remote Control, and select Pair New Remote. For signal problems, start by running a network speed test using EE's built-in tool. You need at least 25 megabits per second for smooth 4K content streaming. Optimize your Wi-Fi performance by switching to less congested channels. For 2.4 GHz networks, channels 1, 6, and 11 are recommended as they don't overlap with each other. For the most stable connection, use a wired Ethernet cable whenever possible. Ethernet provides consistent speeds and eliminates Wi-Fi interference issues. EE is continuously improving their technology. They're developing AI-powered troubleshooting that can automatically detect and resolve issues, plus next-generation remotes with improved battery life and pairing stability.